Hi kittens, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be cooking something delicious. Now, as you guys could tell, I got new lighting. Wait for it. There she is. And that's my cat Noble down there. But anyways, today we are going to be making 2-in-1 meals. What does that mean? We are going to be starting with a healthy zoodles and meat sauce, and then Noble, and then the ish part, right? Healthy-ish, that's what I'm all about, is going to be nachos using the meat sauce. So you have 2 meals in one. It's time to go. Okay guys, so we are going to start our meat sauce, and then we're just going to dump the zoodles right in. You guys are going to see that in a little bit. So I'm going to start off with about a tablespoon of extra virgin actually, olive oil. Alright, I went and got the good stuff for y'all. Okay, perfection. And then you want to drop in your mushrooms. Yes, all of it. So you're just going to give that a quick mix, and then you're just going to let that work for about, I want to say, 5 minutes before you check on it again. Good night, beautiful. As you guys can see, I have ghetto ass pots, but guess what? I'm going to upgrade my life. You just watch. Onions are nice and translucent, and the mushrooms are nice and broken down. So this is a perfect time to add the meat. Now, my Trader Joe's people are going to be so upset with me. I actually ran out and got, you heard it, Stop and Shop. It's okay though. Now, you guys are going to think I'm weird. I like to pick it up with my hands and kind of like break it in to the pot. It looks delicious. I like my turkey to be broken up into crumbles, as you guys can see. And yes, I bought it from Trader Joe's, already spiral. Okay guys, are you ready? This has been cooking for about, I want to say 5 minutes. I'm going to switch to tongs because I find that it's much easier tomato sauce. So you want to put that all over. Now you're going to put water in this because there's juice in there, guys. That's my mom's trick. Want to shake up, shake it up, shake it up. Whoops, splash on your oven and pour. Beautiful. Mix it up. Now guys, this is when we're going to start seasoning. Now I season by using my palms, okay? Alright guys, this is going to be super hot, but I'm going to taste it just to make sure that the seasoning is on point. Oh god, I'm nervous. This is really hot, but it's okay. That's really good. I think I'm going to add a little bit of salt, but then other than that, it's perfection. Okay guys, to taste, we're gonna start off first with the nachos. Oh my god. It's for the healthy people out there, not the ish. Let's take a look. Are you ready? So good. Oh my god, the parsley. It's so crazy how parsley just alters the taste in such an amazing way. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that beauty. That's so good. My review, both of them, perfection. They're both very healthy for you. I'm gonna get lower so you can see my whole body. Anyways, please guys, if you want me to continue doing this, because it is hard work, comment, tell me what I could do better, like my videos or not, subscribe so you hear that ding so I could be able to make more, because I'm at 9, but I'm proud of those 9 right now. Anyways, are you ready for 4 hugs for 4? 1, 2, 3, and the last one's really tight. 4. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.